So let us discuss about transfer pricing, and we will solve problem on transfer pricing. So before that we will see what exactly transfer pricing refers to. So transfer pricing is nothing but one division or one entity can transfer goods and services or movables, intangibles to the entity Y or different entity. So A division can transfer its goods and services, movables to the division Y. So the transfer cost, the between A and B, there is a cost for transferring the goods and services. That cost we can call it as transfer pricing. Simple. So why this happened in the sense that to reduce their tax liability, if my place is high tax authority, so I can save my tax liability so that I can transfer it into the low tax authority to the division Y or somewhere else. So this transfer process, what we can call the cost which is incurred for transferring that goods and services, we can call it as transfer pricing. By the example, we can able to understand clearly what exactly transfer pricing and what are all the different kinds of methods that will appear in transfer pricing while calculating the profit of different divisions. So there is a small problem. ABC Company Limited has two divisions, X and Y. X sells half of its output in the open market and transfers the rest to the division Y. Costs and revenue during 2017 are. So what information they given? ABC Company Limited is there. What it has? It has two divisions, namely division X and division Y. So X wants to X what will do? X sells half of its output. It's whatever the productions which is made by X, it can sell half of it to the open market, and remaining the rest of the output it can transfer to the division Y. Say for example 10,000, if the X is made as a output, it means 5,000 it can send to the open market and remaining 5,000 it can send to the division Y. So this is what exactly the sequence situation given in this problem. The cost and revenue information they given for the year 2017. During the year 2017, division Y, division X, and total for the company they given in the rupees. Sales, cost of production, profit. Sales they given here 18,000 for X, 50,000 for Y, and 68,000 for the total for the company. And same way cost of a production they given 26,000, okay, 22,000 for Y and 48,000 for total of the company, and profit 20,000. And they said that there is no opening and closing balances, okay. Closing stocks that information not given here. Only by this information we need to calculate profit of a different company, so different divisions in a company. ABC Company Limited, it has a two divisions, no X. What will be the profit for division X, what will be the profit for division Y, and what will be the total profit of the company by using there are three methods they given here, that at cost, three situations: at cost, transfer pricing, profit of the company we are going to calculate by using at cost, and at cost plus 30%, at cost plus 30%, but there is a overspending in division X by rupees 4,000. What does it mean? We need to calculate at cost what will be the transfer price of that particular division, at cost plus 30%, and at cost plus 30%, along with that additional 4,000 division X which is made as a overspending. So by this given information we need to go for calculating the profit of each and every division. So here at cost, try to understand at cost in the sense that the total cost of production 26,000 for X product. So here what we need to do, half it can be sent to the open market and remaining it can be sent to the division Y, in the sense that if it is 26,000, it means 13,000 it can send to the open market and 13,000 it can transfer to the division Y. That is nothing but we can call transfer pricing. So secondly, at cost plus 30% is there. So cost is 26,000 plus 30%. So what will be the total cost? In that total cost, again half percent it can sells to the open market, isn't it? The information they given here. X, it can sell half of its output in the open market and transfer rest to the division Y, in the sense that it will be applicable for each and every situation. In here it means 3 situation is there, same procedure we need to follow, but at cost plus 30% we need to add it back. Here 4,000 we need to add back in situation 3. So let us go with solution so that we can able to understand clearly about how we need to calculate the profit under different transfer pricing methods. So firstly, they have asked you to calculate the profit by using transfer prices at cost, isn't it? So as information given in the problem, sales, you know that sales for X 18,000, Y 50,000, total will be 68,000. So this will be simple, you can understand easily. Okay, sales. So next they have asked at cost, transfer price at cost we are doing, so that cost of production for X product, how much it is? Cost of production per X product, isn't it? 26,000. So 26,000, half it can be sent to the where open market and remaining it can be sent to the division Y. So inside sales X can sell to its output to the half it can be sent to the open market and half it can be sent to the Y. So inside sales total 26,000 cost of production is there. So half of it means 13,000 to the open market, isn't it? The 13,000 we need to take as a sales. We are not transferring here, just we are sending to the open market. So 13,000 we need to add half of X can do, right? X only sells half of its output to the open market and half it's to the Y. Y doesn't do anything. Y doesn't sell half of its output to the somewhere else open market and it doesn't send to the X or something. That is not there, and that information not given in the problem. So X only information they given here, it means 13,000 half we need to take and Y is nothing, and company will be the nil itself, and we need to add it back the total sales we will get. So sales here the 18,000 and 13,000 it means 26,000 half, so we will get 31,000. For Y we will get 50,000 and total we will get total for the company 68,000. That will be the total sales. So try to understand. If you need to calculate profit, it means there is a formula, sales minus total cost equals to profit. So sales, we found that we need to calculate total cost, then we will calculate the 1 minus 2 equals to profit. So own cost they given in the problem itself, 26,000 for X product, for Y product they given here 22,000. So total for the product company 48,000. So as I said, this is own cost given in the problem. Transfer cost, it means X can transfer to Y. So how much it is? 13,000. So half it can be sent to the open market and half it can be sent to the division Y. So it will be 13,000. So if you add it back, you will get the total cost. So this will be for X product 26,000 and for Y product it will be around 35,000, 22,000 plus 13,000, 35,000 you will get, and total for the company 48,000 you will get. So finally, if you have done total sales minus total cost, you will get profit. So 5,000 profit you will get in case of X division, 15,000 profit you will get in the case of Y division, and total for the company you will get 20,000. 34,000. So this is what exactly how we need to calculate the transfer price at cost. And second situation, at cost plus 30% they given. So first we need to take cost of production is 26,000 plus 30%, it means 130% on 26,000, or we need to add 26,000 plus 26,000 multiplied by 30%. This will be the total cost. Try to understand that a cost right now cost is 26,000, but we need to add plus 30%, in the sense that 26,000 plus 30%, 7,800. You will get total 33,800. 33,800 you will get. You can make it half. Why? Because X can sells half of its output to the open market, and remaining rest can be transferred to division Y. So half will be 16,900. This you can take it as inside sales. So sales, you know that 18,000, 50,000, total 68,000 you will get. Inside sales, as you know that 16,900, you can take it. Total sales you will get 34,900, 50,000 for the company, 68,000. And same way as we have done in previous situation, own cost is there 26,000 for Y product, for Y division 22,000, total for the company 48,000. And then transfer cost, X can transfer to Y, Y doesn't transfer to anywhere else. So only X information they given here, in the sense that in sales we took inside sales, and for Y we are taking cost. For how much we are paying for the cost, that 16,900. If you can add it back, you will get 26,000, 38,900 and 48,000 as the total cost for a X division, for Y as well as for the total company. Then profit you will get for the X, Y and company 8,900, 11,100 and 20,000 respectively for a different kind of division. And lastly we can go with the 3 at cost plus 30%, but rupees 4,000 overspending, in the sense that 30% cost is there, but increased 4,000 overspending. Situation 3 is there, at cost plus 30%, but rupees 4,000 overspending. It means cost right now 26,000 cost is there, but 4,000 increased as a overspending. So total cost will be 30,000 obviously. On that basis again we need to take cost plus 30%. Try to understand. So 30,000 plus 30,000 plus 30%, in the sense that 30,000 into 130%, if you done, it means you will get 39,000, or otherwise you can do 30,000 plus 30,000 30%, so 9,000 you will get. So total 39,000. If you make it half, it means you will get 19,500. That will be the inside sales, plus owned in transfer cost you can take it as 19,500 for a Y division. So that if you have done that much correctly, it means you will get correctly the profit of a different kind of divisions. Yes, here sales as the given in the problem, 18, 50,000, 68,000. Inside sales, Y inside sales 19,500, the total 39,000. X can sells half its to the open market, so that's why 19,500 total sales you will get. 37,500 for Y product, 50,000, and next for the company 68,000 you will get. Same way the own cost as given in the problem, 26,000 for X product, X division, 22,000 for Y and 48,000 for a company will get. So transfer cost as you have calculated already, 19,500 can transfer, X can transfer inside sales, it can do, it means 19,500. Transfer cost which is incurred by the Y, how much it is, worth rupees 19,500. So if you make it total, you will get 26,000 total cost for the X product, X division, 41,500 for Y division, and total for the company 48,000 you will get. And finally ultimately if you have done 1 minus 2, that is nothing but total sales minus total cost, you will get profit. So for the company, for a division X, 11,500 profit, 8,500 profit for the Y, and total for the company 20,000 we will get by these situations. So by this informations we can come to know that how the transfer pricing is different from a different situations. If we are taking cost at transfer pricing at cost, if we are taking transfer pricing cost plus 30%, if there is any overspending, what will be the profit, so that we can able to understand how transfer pricing plays an important role uh, in different context while calculating the profit.